Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. Recently, someone on my YouTube channel commented on one of my videos about Alipay identity issue, and I'm going to use this medium to make a video about it so that a lot of people will be aware of identity change, how true or how possible it is. I'm going to open up my YouTube right here, just like what you see right here. You can see the question right here. This question about 12 hours ago states that, please, I was using somebody's passport on Alipay. How can I change to my own passport? And this is the question right here. And the bitter truth about this is that it is not possible anywhere in Alipay. If you try to use someone else's passport to verify your identity in Alipay, the account belongs to the owner of that particular international passport. In this regard, you can never choose rename identity verification in Alipay. The only thing you can do now is to create a new account with your own identity. If you try to update the identity of the previous owner to your current identity, the account is going to be flagged because it is called identity theft or account theft in Alipay, and it is a serious offense that can lock out the complete account. So in this regard, when you are using someone else's passport to verify your identity in Alipay, you are not eligible to switch to your own passport. Maybe you have your own passport now, you want to switch. It is not allowed. The only thing you can do now is to create a new Alipay account, verify the identity with your own passport. If you are eventually lucky to get the account verified successfully, then it means that you have two Alipay accounts. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay topic like this, consider to subscribe. And likewise, if you still have questions for me as far as this Alipay tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'm going to reply to every possible question you have for me about Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.